Fifth grade Science Chapter 8 Food Nutrients and Preservation. New words. Silo, a tall tower used for storing grain. Preserve, protect food from getting spoiled. Extending, making longer or increasing. Shelf life, the time for which a food item is suitable for eating. Manufacture, to make something. Compartment, a small space for keeping something. Regulates, controls. Fragile, easily broken or delicate. Exhaustion, feeling of tiredness or weakness. Expiry, come to an end. Raw, uncooked. Nutrients in food. We do many activities during the day, such as walking, playing, writing, dancing, etc. Our body needs energy to do all these activities. We get this energy from the food we eat. The food also helps us to grow strong and healthy. It protects us from diseases. Food has chemical substances called nutrients. Our body needs a variety of nutrients to be able to carry out all the functions. Different nutrients are found in different foods. Some nutrients provide energy, some help us to grow, while some help our body to fight diseases. We must eat different types of foods to get all the nutrients for our body. Let us learn more about the various nutrients present in our food. There are five main nutrients. These are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Carbohydrates and fats. Energy giving foods. Carbohydrates and fats provide energy to our body for any activity that it has to perform. Carbohydrates provide quick energy to the body and are found in starchy foods such as wheat, rice, and potatoes. Sweet fruits like banana are also rich in carbohydrates. Fat stores energy in our body. This energy can be used when we do some heavy exercise or when we do not eat on some days. They also help to keep our body warm. Fats are found in foods like butter, oil, ghee, nuts, and cheese. Fatty foods usually leave an oily stain on paper and cloth. Proteins, bodybuilding foods. Proteins help our body to grow. They are needed for building our muscles, blood, and skin. They help the body to heal when there is an injury. Meat, fish, chicken, eggs, milk, cheese, pulses, soya bean, nuts, etc. are rich sources of proteins. Vitamins and minerals. Protective foods. Vitamins and minerals protect our body against diseases and help us stay fit and healthy. Though they are needed by our body in very small quantities, the food cannot function or the body cannot function properly if they are lacking in our diet. Vitamins and minerals are therefore also known as essential nutrients. These nutrients are found in fruits and vegetables, milk, salt, etc. There are many vitamins and minerals. Some of the important vitamins needed by our body are vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K. Calcium, phosphorus, and iron are some important minerals which are needed by our body. Calcium and phosphorus are needed for the formation of strong bones and teeth. Iron is needed for the formation of blood. If our body is not able to get all these vitamins and minerals in sufficient quantities, it can cause diseases known as deficiency diseases. Do you know? Milk is one of the basic source of calcium. 2 cups of milk or the same amount of cheese, paneer, or other dairy products, except butter, provide all the calcium needed by our body in a day. Water. Almost 70% of our body is water. It is very important for our body due to the following reasons. It helps transport nutrients in the body. It removes waste in the form of sweat and urine. It is needed for the formation of blood. It regulates our body temperature. We must drink 7 to 10 glasses of water in a day to stay healthy and fresh. Have you noticed how plants leaves begin to drop when we forget to water them? Our body too cannot function properly and we feel tired if we fail to replace the water lost by our body as sweat and urine. Thirst is our body's way of telling us that it needs water. Roughage. Besides all the nutrients, we also need roughage or fiber in our food. We get fiber from fruits and vegetables. In some fruits and vegetables like apple, guava, pear, ground, pumpkin, etc., the outer skin should not be removed because it is a rich source of fiber. It is not digested by the body but helps in the movement of food in our intestines. Water and roughage do not provide energy and are not nutrients. They help in digesting our food and must be included in our daily diet in sufficient quantities. Do you know? There are 13 types of vitamins. Fiber is a dietary material that comes from plants. It is difficult for the body to digest it, but it helps in avoiding constipation. Balanced diet. We get different nutrients from the various foods we eat. Therefore, no single food can keep us healthy. Our diet should be well balanced so that the body gets all the nutrients in proper quantities. If we eat more than the requirement of our body, we become overweight. Similarly, if we eat less than the requirement of our body, we become weak and underweight. A balanced diet gives us all the nutrients our body needs in the right amount. Food pyramid. A food pyramid or diet pyramid is a pyramid shaped diagram that helps us to select the food items from the basic food groups so as to make a balanced diet. Thus, a food pyramid helps us to eat healthy and balanced diet. Food pyramid comprises of the following layers. Base layer of food pyramid. It includes food items like cereals, grains and pulses. These food items should be consumed in more amount. Middle layer of food pyramid. It includes food items like fruits and vegetables. We should always prefer seasonal fruits and vegetables like papaya, guava, watermelon, cucumber, gooseberry, carrot, lady's finger, etc. Second middle layer of food pyramid. It includes food items rich in protein like meat, fish, milk, etc. The food items of the two middle layers should be consumed in moderate amount. Top layer of food pyramid. It includes food items rich in fats, oil, sugar and salt. These food items should be consumed in fewer amounts. Do you know? People all over the world eat a large variety of food